Hey, I love grilling, but one of the things I hate about grilling is cleaning up the mess afterwards. And so this grill's been left for a while. You can see all this rust on here. So I'm gonna try to get this nice little, this is very, and by the way, I have these gloves that come with it. This is very sharp, so be careful with this, but this is really gonna be able to hopefully clean this up really, really nicely. This is electronic, which is nice, which best thing is like, it's gonna take all the manual work effort out of it because it's electronic, which is really cool. Also comes with this brush here as well you can use to clean, and this is how you charge it, and the instructions, of course. So let's just see how it goes. I got my gloves on, which is good, and you don't want to touch it, obviously it's operating. So this is one of the cool features about this. It swivels like this. If you want to do it this way, or even this way, you can do that. You just press this button. And also, whenever you're ready to take this off, you just pull this firmly. Obviously with your gloves, be careful, but you want to pull this firmly, and this comes with like a little thing here. So you actually can just pull that off, and it's going to be able to make it a lot easier. You don't have to handle it, which is great as well. Okay, so let me go ahead and turn this on, and you've got different settings here. That's the first one. It's off. 1, 2, and that's the lowest setting. So we'll start with the highest setting right here. All right, so let's just see how it does here. All right, so you can see all this rust on here, and it's taking that rust. Actually, it's doing a really good job taking that rust off. And you can see all that rust that's on there, it's not on there anymore. Pretty impressive, actually, honestly. And you can do it this way if you want to. I feel like this way it's doing a little bit better. And you can just kind of just hold it steady. And you can see right now, I'm gonna turn this off. And you can see that it's still in good condition, but it's really taken a lot of that rust off of there, which is really cool. Okay, so let me just keep on doing this a little more. So this is the kind of thing too you can really do to clean up your grill if you want to. You can use it inside if you got like a pan that's really dirty. So really the sky's the limit. You can use soap, of course. That's going to help you clean up things a little better. But this is kind of just taking it when it's completely dry and just getting some of this rust off of this. And so I really feel like right now I honestly can't even see much rust left on this because of what this has done. Just a few minutes or less of effort, and I've got this thing actually pretty cleaned up. So really impressive. This is the kind of thing too, if you really try to scrape it yourself, it's gonna take a long time. I'm really pretty impressed by this. I'm glad to have this. I'm gonna definitely use this on our grills and even some of the cookware that we've got inside. Whenever it gets really dirty, it's really kind of hard to clean by hand. So really easy to use. Glad to have this. I was giving this a return for a review.